Hello, my name is Emanuela Eze. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming across my channel, kindly subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Thank you. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to generate your own song, okay? If you want to generate a song for your AI videos, you don't want to use external sounds. Okay, all right, we are going to be using the Chrome browser. So when you click on your Chrome browser this way, what you are going to do next is to click on the search bar this way. Okay, search for Suno AI. So this is a Suno AI music generator. Click on it this way, and this is what you're going to see. Click on it this way. All right, so the next thing you are going to do is, you see this place that says describe the song you want to make. You're going to describe it here. Okay, let's say I want a calm, beautiful, and sweet song about I want a calm, beautiful, sweet. Let's use Nigerian style. Okay, Afrobeat style, because you can put any style you want. Okay, Afrobeat style song about a cooking video. You can add my name, Emanuela Eze, in Emanuela Eze kitchen in the song. Do you get? It should, let's say the lyrics should be very clear. The lyrics should be very clear and understandable. All right. Okay, so when you are done typing everything you need here, go ahead and click on create. When you click on create, I'm telling you, it's not going to take up to 10 seconds. Okay, you start seeing that your song is being generated. You can see it here, right? You can see it here. So this is where you monitor the progress. So our song is ready. You see the play button here. They give us 2 songs, right? This is the 2 songs here. Sometimes they might give you more than 2. Okay, so what you have to do is go ahead and click on the play sound, the play button, to listen. Morning in the kitchen, clean bowl, clean hands, oil in the pan, smile on your face. Emanuela Eze, you move with grace. Alright, this is beautiful. Let's listen to the next one, okay? Morning in the kitchen, clean bowl, clean hands, oil in the pan, smile on your face. Emanuela Eze, you move with grace. Tomato, pepper, onions, neat little taste. Slow and sweet, step by step. Alright, so you can see this is how to generate AI song for your videos. Even if you don't want your name to be mentioned in it, you just want a song, whether a Christian song, celebration song, anyone, you can use this. Okay, so when you are done, this is how to save it. Okay, you are going to you're going to click on these 3 lines here. If this is the one you want, click on the 3 lines. Okay, then you're going to see download here. You're going to see download here, though sometimes download is not always visible at first, but very soon you're going to see that it will come around. Okay, so what you're going to do is click on download. So when you click on the 3 lines this way, this is the download now. It's now showing properly. So when you click on download this way, you click on MP3 audio. Don't click on all these ones that has pro, else you know now it's not for free. So you click on MP3 audio this way and click on download anyway. Download anyway. Okay, so you can see preparing your MP3. This may take a few seconds. It doesn't take much time. Okay, and before you know, this is it at the top, file downloaded. So you can go and add it to your videos. Very easy.